So today I'll be showing you how to make these homemade smoke bombs. I try to use the least amount of materials as I can because most people don't have everything. So these you'll have to just poke a hole and light it with a lighter. But to make those you will need potassium nitrate. This is the powder form. The granulated form won't work for this method. You will need sugar, duct tape, a shot glass, and a bowl to pour everything in. Also, you will need a Coke bottle of your choice. So first off, you're going to want to put 3 shots of potassium nitrate, 2 shots of sugar. So you're basically done already, you just need to mix it. Then you're going to want to cut the top off this, like right here. Now we're just going to tape the top. And boom, there you go.